everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke ngozalo umfabo ke kaSbonelo noma ke umfabo kaWiseman Mncube obedlala indawo kaSbonelo Ntando Mncube will be joining Uzalo after ke kubulawa kwecharacter yomfowabo ngokwegazi. Angazi guys, but sibose ngazi usike lapha na kuzalo umndeni wakwaMncube unesikhundlana ngoba nomfowabo omncane wayedlala kulona futhi ke Uzalo. Ntando Mncube guys uzobedlala indawo kaSakhile, an evangelist dedicated to his calling, led by an unwavering commitment to ministering to people in need. Sakhile's arrival in Kwamashu coincides with a critical moment as he becomes the beacon of hope, casting out evil and iniquities. Guys, the holy embodies the savior the community has been waiting. So guys, yeah man, nani ke niyabona lapha kuzala ukuthi kade bagcina ohlobo ukuya esontweni noma mlambo sebeze baqala ukuthakatha ke manje ububi buningi bandile kakhulu ngoba umfundisi akekho ke wagcina ngesikhathi ke kuhamba uqabanga akuphindanga ke kwaba khona ubizo lomfundisi. Ntando Mncube guys is one of the funniest actors la esinayo eMzansi. Most of the time guys bayamdomorozisa nje ezitoreni eziningi udlala indawo yokuba nje isilinyana, but ke siyathemba ukuthi ke lana ke bazomnika icharacter yomfundisi wangempela, like uzokwenza umehluko noshintsho abazomenza lento abahlezi bemenza la ezitoreni eziningi. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.